Everyone thinks the best-selling electric floor mop is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Some of the most popular options are great for light messes, while others handle tough stains like a pro. But only a few actually live up to the hype.
Product number 1, Swiffer Power Mop. Let's start with the Swiffer Power Mop. You've probably seen this one everywhere. It's affordable, widely available, and comes with everything you need to get started. At just $26.94, it's positioned as a budget-friendly, no-fuss cleaning solution. If you want something simple, quick, and disposable-friendly for everyday spills, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Power Mop uses a spray and clean system with pre-mixed cleaning solution and disposable pods. It claims 5 times more cleaning power than regular Swiffer pods, and honestly, it does a solid job on light messes like dried juice or tracked in mud. The swivel head gets under furniture easily, and you don't have to bend down. Huge win for convenience. Plus, with over 50,000 bought in the past month, it's clearly popular for a reason. Now, some people complained about the pads not lasting long and needing frequent replacements, which adds up over time. Here's the thing though. If you're only doing quick touch-ups and don't mind spending a few bucks monthly on refills, it's still a solid pick. But if you're cleaning large areas or dealing with sticky messes regularly, the ongoing cost and limited pad life become real drawbacks. This is perfect for you if you live in a small apartment, want a grab-and-go mop for quick cleanups, or hate dealing with buckets and wringing. Skip this one if you're looking for deep cleaning or reusable pods. For the price, it's decent, but don't expect heavy-duty performance.
Product number 2, Shark Steam Mop S1000. That was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for sanitizing without chemicals. Meet the Shark Steam Mop S1000. At $59.99, it's a step up in price, but brings real steam power to the table. If you want chemical-free cleaning that kills germs and loosens grime with just water, this one's a game changer. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It uses 1,050 watts of power to generate steam in just 30 seconds, sanitizing sealed hard floors without any cleaning products. That means no fumes, no residue, just clean floors and peace of mind, especially if you have kids or pets. The removable water tank makes refilling easy, and the 18-foot cord gives you serious range. Plus, the dirt grip pads are machine washable, so you're not constantly buying refills. Now, some people complain that it doesn't work well on unsealed or waxed floors, and honestly, that's a fair limitation. Here's the thing though, if you have tile, laminate, or sealed hardwood, this mop shines. It's not meant for every surface, but for the right floors, it's incredibly effective. Also, the steam can be a bit too hot for some, so you'll want to test it in a small area first. This is perfect for you if you want a chemical-free clean, have sealed hard floors, and hate the smell of cleaning sprays. Skip this one if you have unsealed wood or sensitive flooring. For under $60, it's a smart investment for healthier, cleaner floors.
Product number 3, Bissell Spin Wave. If the Shark S1000's lack of scrubbing action bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. The Bissell Spin Wave is a corded spin mop that actually scrubs your floors for you. At $119.99, it's pricier, but it brings real mechanical cleaning power to the table. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It has 2 rotating pods that spin at high speed, doing 100% of the scrubbing work, no elbow grease needed. That means dried-on spills, sticky messes, and tracked-in dirt actually get lifted off instead of just being smeared around. The on-demand spray lets you target tough spots, and it's safe on all sealed floors. Plus, you get 6 reusable pads and 3 cleaning formulas, so you're set for months. Now, some people complained about the cord being annoying and limiting mobility. Here's the thing though, if you have outlets nearby and don't mind managing a cord, the consistent power makes a huge difference. Battery-powered mops can lose suction, but this one never does. Also, it's a bit heavier than others, so it's not ideal for quick daily use. This is perfect for you if you have stubborn stains, want deep cleaning without chemicals, and don't mind a corded model. Skip this one if you need portability or hate cords. For the performance, it's one of the best mid-range options out there.
Product number 4, Shark Steam and Scrub S8001. That was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for stuck-on stains. The Shark Steam and Scrub S8001 combines steam, scrubbing, and smart features into one powerful package. At $159.99, it's on the higher end, but it's built for serious cleaning. Here's why this matters for you specifically.
It delivers over 150 scrubs per minute with rotating pads while blasting steam, up to 2x better at removing tough stains than basic steam mops. The LED headlights are a small touch, but actually super helpful for spotting hidden dirt under furniture. Plus, the swivel steering and 19-foot cord make it easy to maneuver around tight spaces. Now, some people complained about the water tank being a bit small for large homes. Here's the thing though, the XL tank holds enough for most rooms, and the removable design makes refilling quick. Also, at 1120 watts, it uses more power, so we'll want to keep it near an outlet, but for the cleaning power, it's worth it. This is perfect for you if you want professional level cleaning at home, have kids or pets making frequent messes, and don't mind spending a bit more. Skip this one if you only need light cleaning or have very large floor areas. For performance and features, it's one of the best all-in-one mops available.
Product number 5, Shark Steam and Scrub S8201. If the S8001's features impressed you, but you want even more control, this next model adds one big upgrade, Steam Blaster technology. The Shark S8201 is nearly identical to the S8001, but gives you targeted steam bursts for extra stubborn spots. At $149.99, it's slightly cheaper and just as powerful. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Steam Blaster lets you aim high-pressure steam directly at dried food, grease, or sticky residues, perfect for kitchen floors. Combined with the same 150+ scrubs per minute and LED headlights, it's a beast on tough messes. It also sanitizes with 99.9% bacteria removal using just water, so you get clean and safe floors in one pass. Now, some people complained that the pads were out faster with heavy use. Here's the thing though, the pads are machine washable and included in the box, so replacements are manageable. Also, like other truck models, it's corded, so you'll need to plan your cleaning path around outlets. This is perfect for you if you want maximum stain fighting power, love the idea of targeted steam blasts, and want a slightly lower price than the S8001. Skip this one if you don't deal with tough messes often. For deep cleaning with smart features, it's a top-tier choice.
So which one should you pick? The Swiffer Power Mop is great for quick, cheap cleanups. The Shark S1000 offers chemical-free steam cleaning on a budget. The Bissell Spinwave brings real scrubbing power for tough jobs. And the two Shark Steam and Scrub models, S8001 and S8201, are the best for deep cleaning, with the S8201 adding targeted steam blasts. Each has its strength, so match it to your floor type and cleaning needs.